to the SSN Lifestyle Founders Club membership overview, dated December 1st, 2021. This is in pre-launch, so therefore things can change and be updated. Get back with the person that sent you over to watch this video. SSN Lifestyle membership currently, it cost $2,350 during pre-launch. There are only 15 exclusive spots available. And I want to say the most important thing is we are adding a little bit more value. So therefore, the Founders Club is going to cost a little more ultimately, unless we get up to 15 Founders Club membership spots taken. So therefore, when we add the next little phase we're going to be adding, the price is going to increase. So I suggest before all the spots are gone and the price increases, if this is something that you like, I suggest you get in. Let's start with number one. Please sit back, relax, take a little time. This could run 15 to 25 minutes. I don't know exactly, but here we go. Number one on the list for being a Founders Club member. Again, only 15 people can ever be a Founders Club member. The first thing you receive is 1 week use of a Punta Cana penthouse. That is Punta Cana, Dominican Republic. While you are there during your use, you have 4 tickets to Coco Bongo. That is a nightclub downtown. You also have transportation to and from the airport to your condo. There are 2 choices of condos that you can stay in presently. You also will receive 2 tickets to Kathmandu Park. You will also receive 2 all-exclusion boat tickets to the island of Isla SAONA. During your stay for those 7 nights, 8 days, you have a night of private chef service. So if you bring your friends, family, that is all included with the 1 night of private chef service. Notice asterisks on here. That means there are some rules to this. And again, only Founders Club. All of our other memberships do not have this luxury item. Second options. Number 2, you also receive 3-night stay. This is all one time, a 3-night stay in a studio or 1-bedroom in resort area vacation rental locations. Examples are Las Vegas, Hawaii, Orlando, and Mexico. People know that. Caribbean. So there's a few places. Number 3, SSN Lifestyle membership. And you are also a member, meaning you have the ability to refer other people to all the memberships, which I will not go over here, but you can see at the top SSN memberships. There's other memberships, and as long as there's Founder Club spots available, you could refer people here, and it is commissionable. Products and services are also commissionable. We'll see hot deals and a few other things under hot deals. It's not just one thing. There's several items. You can send people to the website using your personal link. You receive commission monthly, and that is what part of Refer a Friend program means. Passive income, because you are a Founders Club member, we will get to this down the line, but there is a bonus pool involved. Each membership has its own bonus pool. I'll get to that a little bit later. Number 4, and number 4 is a very, very big one. We have the SSN Lifestyle Ring of Fire. This is something that I am very proud of. We will have investment opportunities into companies presented to us. And as a Founders Club member, only the first 15 find out about it first. They are the ones who can invest first. So to give you an example, let's just say some new company that's not even out yet says we're doing a round of investing and it requires $30,000 minimum to get in. All 15 people, some might say no, but a few might say, well, I like this, I'll put in 5,000. Another might put in 10, another might put in 3, another might put in 500. The point I'm trying to make is, if we reach the 30,000 level, then that Ring of Fire investment opportunity is over with. No other membership can get into this investment. If the Founders Club members say, you know what, I don't think this is a good idea, I don't like it, then it now is open to the other memberships. You, as the ranking goes, the higher the ranking, you get first dibs, and so on, and it goes down to the next level, down to the next level. So again, that is very, very major, and you can have equity stake, you can possibly have profits coming in as part of being in the Ring of Fire. Exclusives. Again, there's one, that's not major enough for some. How about this? Exclusively for Founders Club members only, there is a SSN Lifestyle property where Founders Club members can actually rent out themselves to make additional streams of income. SSN Lifestyle rents it out, and Founders Club members can also rent it out, and they don't even have to pay anything for the HOAs, the housekeeping, no maintenance whatsoever. This is passive for you, but you will have to send people to rent it out, and it will be in PUNTA, CANA area of the Dominican Republic as well. Number 6, 2 VIP tickets to the SSN Lifestyle Punta Cana party, second quarter 2023. I'll have up on the screen some information about the dates, who has already signed on to be there as far as we have entertainment, and it also includes 2 VIP tickets for the yacht party, 2 VIP tickets for the catamaran party. Not to mention, it's also going to be business related as well. It's going to be, I believe, the first week in April. You'll see it on the screen. Number 7, what is a lifestyle without having a lifestyle? A lot of you may not like going on boats or yachts or go boating at all, but with the SSN Lifestyle membership, including the Founders Club, they have the higher credit. Once a year, you are able to use a credit at a certain company. That's where the credit is, and in this case, $550. So therefore, you get your minimum 3 hours or 4 hours for a usual boat rental or yacht rentals. It could be more than that, but nonetheless, you have $550, and in some cases that will be a free rental per year for you and your guest. Airline ticket upgrades, discount, jet discounts. This is at the discretion of SSN Lifestyle. This is part of the membership. If you submit your ticket information to SSN Lifestyle, depending on what we can do, we may upgrade your seat. So on certain flights, no matter where they are, there are things such as upgrades. So you could have a coach seat, then you find out X amount. We find out, in essence, SSN Lifestyle, that there is an upgrade possible for, let's say, business class or first class. As a member of SSN Lifestyle, we will handle that information unbeknownst to you, but we will handle it on the back end. And then again, only a couple of memberships receive anything like this. Founders Club memberships, they again have the highest level of benefits. Number 9, we sell products and services on SSN Lifestyle. This is why you can receive revenue streams by referring other people to our website. Founders Club members receive discounts on those prices. Again, very special. Number 10, I touched upon earlier, the Founders Club has their own bonus pool. No other membership can share in the Founders Club bonus pool. Keep in mind, we are in pre-launch. This will start 3 months after the official launch date, which we do not have as of this video. Number 11, there will be eventually the hottest thing going, SSN Lifestyle crypto token for Founders Club membership, more like an NFT, but it will signal that it is your membership, which now means you have the right to sell it or do as you please down the road. Of course, there's going to be some things such as approval by SSN Lifestyle, but that's always a caveat that we reserve, not necessarily that we're going to block anybody. Number 12, notice it says more to come. There is a reason, because there is more to come unbelievably. Keep in mind, once you pay the $2,350 as it presently is, you do have a monthly fee. The monthly cost is $39.95. $39.99. It's $39 and monthly. Even in pre-launch, that is what you will owe. There's a value here, and it is well more than $10,000, especially when you start talking about investment opportunities, when you talk about equity staking, when you talk about profits could be rolling in from the Ring of Fire. You also can receive profits from renting out a unit that you do not even outright own, but you have the ability to make passive income from that or streams of income. If you need to find out more, please get with the person that sent you the link to this video and use their link and sign up. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to you joining the SSN lifestyle.